Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome to the channel where we make Excel work for you. Okay, so in this video we are going to be looking at how to create an error alert in the telephone number column when not enough digits have been entered. Now you can obviously do this in any other columns for any other reason, but this seems like a good one to show you. So what we want is that when someone types in random number and it's not enough digits, it's not 11 digits for a mobile number, we want it to come up with an error. Okay. Now, there are landline numbers, so let's just see how many digits that is. So there's 5 there, there's 5 and 1. So again, 11 digits, that's good. So whether it's a landline or a mobile, it needs to be 11 digits. So seems like a perfect example to show you. We're going to highlight the column. We're going to go to the data tab at the top, and then what we need to find is a data validation. So on mine it's showing in this little window here. Yours might look different. Took me a while to actually find it. So data validation, click that, comes up with this option. So you've got the option here where you can set different criteria, put a list, things like that, which I will cover in other videos. But we don't want any of that. What we want is the error message to come up. Okay, so we want the error message to say not enough digits. Please check number. Okay, so maybe we can put not enough digits at the top there. Not enough digits. Please check number. And then what we need to do is we need to set a condition. So we want the text length to be a minimum of 11. Okay. Maximum 11. So let's try that and see if that worked. So if I enter just a few, there we go, not enough digits. Please check number. Gives you an option to continue. No. Yeah. Okay. So that works. So let's have a play around with it then. Let's see what other options we've got. So text length between that and that. And then we've got error. So we have stop, information, or warning. So we can just leave it as it is, can't we? And that seems to work fine. So let's do that. Now let's try this one. Not enough digits, please check number. Okay. So if we do enough digits now, then it does work. And it does let you do another one because we have to do a maximum of. Oh, it doesn't yet. Minimum 11, maximum 11. Okay, so there we go. That's simple. Don't know why I'm rattling on. Okay then. So that's how you do it. Nice and simple. Recap. Highlight the column. Data validation. I used text length between 11 and 11. There are other options, so could have had, I suppose, equal to 11. Let's try that. Why not? Yeah, let's try that. So it's equal to 11. I don't know how many I've put there. It must have been 11. Good guess. There we go. Okay, so that's how you do it, and let's just double check that it does copy down. So if I type There we go, that's 11. We type 12. Let's redo it. Let's type a few less. Let's do it. So that hasn't copied down into the table, so that isn't good, is it? So let's work out why then. Why is it not doing that? Yeah, there's just nothing applied to this one at all. So if we select it all, including the empty cell, go to data validation. This selection contains some cells without data validation settings. Do you want to extend data validation to these cells? Yes. And then we just want to press OK. So that's now put it into that blank cell. So let's just check that now it does copy down. There we go. So I think the lesson to be learned from this is that you need to add a new row at the bottom and have a blank cell so that it knows to adopt it into the next blank cell, and then as you add new rows, then that should work. With all Excel formulas and data formatting, you need to check. You need to just check that it does work when you've done it. So there we go. So that is copying down now. So job done. And if you haven't seen the previous video where we make this button here, then I'll leave the description below. I do suggest you watch it. It's how to record a macro to sort the table. So I'll just show you now. If I do this entry from the 4th of April 2020, okay, and I press update, that's now gone into its rightful place in date order at the click of a button. So if that looks like something you'd love to know how to do, check out the video in the description. Okay, so for this video, that's it. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.